Good day everyone, especially Ma'am Cyrene. I'm Nasi Cantillana and I will be discuss use farm in nursery tools and equipment. Farm tools. Farm tools refer to simple tools used to do work easier and faster on the farm. By using proper tools, farmers can increase efficiency, reduce labor, and increase yields. Through their use, farmers can plow fields, manage irrigation, harvest crops, and much more. Without these tools, agriculture will be highly efficient process, which can lead to scarcity and higher prices for consumers. The right farm tools are also helpful in reducing labor and encouraging sustainable farming practice, which can benefit the environment in the long run. We have budding knife, an important hand tool of a gardener which consists of folding blade and a handle. A budding knife is a sharp tool used for cutting and trimming small branches, twigs, and buds of plants. It is mostly used for grafting and pruning. Second is grafting knife is another important plant propagation hand tool which resembles a household knife. A grafting knife is a special type of knife that is used for cutting and connecting different parts of a plant to form a new plant. It is a precise and sharp tool that is used to make clean cut on plants. Third is chainsaw. It is also called power saw and it's a light and portable machine normally operated by one person. 4. Hedge trimmer. Hedge trimmer consists of cutter bar having two sets of reciprocating blades. A hedge trimmer is a gardening tool that is used for trimming and shaping hedge, patch, and shrubs. It is available in electric and gas power version. So let's proceed to gardening hand tool safety. First is prior to use always inspect gardening hand tools for defect or damage. Second, if a hand garden tool pause your inspection, remove it from use. Third, it is recommended that first-time gardeners receive hand tool training from an appropriate experienced instructor. 4. Wear personal protective equipment or PPE appropriate for the gardening task in weather conditions, including items such as hat with brim, long sleeve shirt, long pants, gloves, sunglasses, closed-toe shoes, and sunscreen. 5. Use eye protection with the garden hand. Tool process flying, crumbling, shipping, sprinkling, or splintering debris. 6. Consume an adequate amount of water for gardening weather condition. 7. When gardening in warm weather, take frequent breaks in the shade. Last, keep the cutting edge of garden hand tool sharp when cutting. Always cut away from the body. So let's proceed to string trimmer. This is a two-handed string trimmer with an inbuilt intelligent reflex line feed system for automatic sensing of the feed besides providing convenience and saving time of operation. When we say string trimmer, it's a handled power tool that is used for cutting and trimming grass and weeds in areas that are hard to reach with a lawn mower. It is called a weed trimmer or a weed rocker. 6. Pickaxe. A pick is made up of a long wooden handle with a double-headed thick metal blade that is attached to the handle through a loop. When we say pickaxe, is combination tool that is combined the features of a pickaxe and a hand fork. It is mostly used for digging, breaking up soil, and extracting rocks and other debris from the ground. 7. Hand fork. This is a two-handed string trimmer with an built intelligent reflex line feed system for automatic sensing of the feed, beside providing convenience and saving time of operation. When we say hand fork, it's a small handled tool that is used for digging and planting small plants. It is a handy tool that allows gardeners to work with precision and accuracy. 8. Hand trowel. This boat shape or it's either curved slope metal blade that is attached to a short wooden or metal handle. Is a curved blade tool that is used for harvesting crops such as wheat, rice, and other grains. It is also a useful tool for cutting tall grass and weeds. 9. The sickle. The sickle has curved metal blade that is fitted into the short wooden handle. When we say when we say sickle, is a curved blade tool that is used for harvesting crops such as wheat, rice, and other grains. Next is the hammer. It is made up of thick heavy metal head that is fitted into a straight wooden or metal handle. When we say hammer is a versatile tool that is used for a variety of tasks such as driving nails, breaking concrete, and shaping metal, it is an essential tool for every gardener or home owner. So let's proceed to mallet. It is made up of a large head with a wooden handle that is similar to that of a hammer. So when we say mallet, it's a specialized hammer that is used for digging wooden stakes, pegs, and wedges into the ground. It is also useful for set piece of carpentry. 12 is cicaterio. The cicaterios are made up of two metal blades of which one has a concave curve while other has a convex curve that are joined together at a point. It is also type of pruning tool that is used for cutting small branches and stem of plants. They are also known as pruning shears. 13. The shears. This is seen as a pair of enlarged pair of scissors with two long blades connected at a point of bolt and nut of which the blades are sharpened at one edge, not the two sides not injure someone. When we say the shears are type of tool that is used for trimming and shaping plants, hedge and bunch, they are available in different sizes and styles. 14. Watering. It is made up of galvanized iron which prevents it from rusting. When we say watering, a type of tool that is used for watering plants, they are available in different styles and size. Next is cutlass. Is one of the commonest used farm tools in Nigeria. When we say cutlass, it's a small and sharp tool that is used for cutting and pruning small plants and shrubs. It is mostly used for sharpening and grooming hedge and other small plants. 16. The hoe comes in different types which are used in Nigeria today. When we say the hoe, is a gardening tool that is used for turning soil, breaking up clumps of dirt, and removing weeds from the garden. It is essential for every gardener. Next is the spade. The spade is made up of a long rectangular flat blade which is attached to a fairly long cylindrical handle that winds at the posterior end to form a rectangular block with D shape with wall for hand with use. When we say spade, the spade is digging tool that is used for digging holes, removing debris, and turning soil in the garden. It also useful for removing weeds and rocks from the ground. Next is garden sword. It is a simple manually operated hand tool used in setting or squatting position. The sword consists of a metal sharp or blade with one of the edge sharp for cutting the grass. When we say garden sword, it is a type of sword that is specially designed for gardening and landscaping. It is used for trimming and cutting large plants and bunch. It is also used for general construction work in the garden. So let's proceed to pre-operation checkup. When we say pre-operation checkup, it refers to the examination of different parts in respect of machine or equipment before its operation. It is done to ensure that the equipment is in good working condition and safe to operate. We have fuel. When we say fuel, check the fuel label before leaving the barnyard or shop area. You cannot that someone has done this job. When we say fuel, checking the fuel level is important to ensure that there is enough fuel for the operation. It is also prevents the equipment from running out of gas during operation, which can damage the engine. Next is oil. Oil battles metal surface to prevent the heat of friction from damaging the moving parts. When we say oil, checking the oil level in quality is important to ensure that the engine is properly lubricated. It also helps to enhance the performance and extends the life of the equipment. Third is coolant. Coolant fluid, water, or antifreeze engine heat away from the engine. When we say coolant, we need to check the coolant level. It's important to prevent the engine from overheating during operation. It is also help to maintain the engine's optimal temperature and performance. 4. Tire. Tractor tires can or several $100 each. When we say tire, we need to check the tire pressure and where it's important to ensure the equipment's stability and safety during operation. Tires with inefficient pressure or wear can affect the machine handling and maneuverability. 5. Lubrication. Lubrication is a word that is often used in regards to machinery, reliability, and maintenance. When we say lubrication, it is important to ensure that all moving parts of the machine are well lubricated. It is also help to prevent rust and corrosion due reducing wear and tear and prolonging the equipment lifespan. Let's proceed to perform preventive maintenance. When we say preventive maintenance, it is refers to the regular maintenance and repairs due to equipment to prevent the occurrence of breakdowns and loss of production. It involves scheduling regular maintenance activities like cleaning, lubrication, and inspection to identify and fix problems before they escalate. We have clean and dry tools. Clean and dry your garden tools will keep them in good working order. Regular cleaning and drying of equipment is important to prevent rust and corrosion. It also helps to prevent debris and other foreign materials from causing damage and interfering with the machine operation. Last is keep your tools sharp. Sharp tools not only are more effective but they reduce your friction. Keeping tools sharp is important to ensure that they work effectively and efficiently. It helps to increase the tool's lifespan, reduce the risk of accidents, and improves the quality of work. Blunt tools require more force to operate, which can lead to fatigue and damage to the machine. So that's all. Thank you for listening.